Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and today is Friday, January 22nd. And these are the turning signals, turning points from the open. Open just came in right about here. I traded a little bit later, just took 2 trades and scaled out of them for my daily goal plus. It was 10 minutes of trading, pretty much just like yesterday, quick and easy. These are the trades, the ones that are circled and marked are the ones that I probably would be taking. The other ones that are marked are signals that something like I showed yesterday, where indiscriminately I basically marked up the screen based off of just one of the indicators that I have and that I use. But again, I look for certain conditions set up within the price structure to give me the green light, and those are really all spelled out in the method. Anyway, so these are the trades. The ones that are circled are probably the trades that I would have taken. Again, this is not really the time frame that I use. This is in between the smallest and the middle time frame that I use and to get my trades. But I'm just showing you this time frame just because it's in between the two that I use. I don't know. The turning points are pretty close, and you'll see the trades that I took later on. But those are the trades early on. There's a few that I would have passed up on. Those are some add-on spots right there that I could have taken. And that one at the bottom, I would have taken that trade there long for sure. At least I think for sure. Would have skipped this as the signal would have given us this. I could have used as an out, but I would have re-entered long maybe in here. I would have taken that short for sure. I would have skipped this, but I would have taken that. I probably would have skipped that. And there was a signal in here somewhere, but I probably wouldn't have taken that. There's one here and then one here. I would have taken this, skipped the first one, and those are the trades that I took. Off the bottom, I was a little bit early in this time frame. The time frame that I'm trading, I was probably still just a touch early. I could see it coming. I could see what was building, what was happening, and where it was likely to go. So I took it. Could have came in just like a tick higher right over here, but that was fine. So I picked up 4 ticks, 5 ticks, and 7 ticks. That was this right here, scaled out, and then 3 ticks here. So it's about 2.5 points or so, net over 2 points after commission. But it was just 10 minutes of trading, and that was really all I needed for the day. So anyway, next trade's that short. I think I would have taken this trade short. Would have taken that long. Probably would have got stopped out here. And I think I would have taken that short. Again, these are based off of just that one indicator that I showed you yesterday, and it gave a signal here. I may or may not have taken this. I don't think so. Maybe in the small scalp screen, I might have scalped a few ticks out of that, but would have taken that short. And if I didn't, probably would have broke even on the second half if I had a runner. There was another trade there that I probably would not have taken, but this one I would have taken. Again, those are just, for whatever it's worth. It's easy to spot and say after the fact, but anyway, I have a total basis for doing it, because then I can put the indicator up here and show you that's exactly where it would be, and I can zero in a little bit better with my smaller time frame. So and plus, if I put everything else up on the screen, up on this part of the screen, it totally gives me the clues on which trades to take and exactly where to take them. So anyway, you only need a couple of these little trades to make good money, and these trades happen every day now that the volume is back, and we seem to be having the swings like we used to have. And it's been a long wait, but that was pretty much totally seen this move coming. That looked like the bottom of the day. That's why I would have skipped this trade here. But anyway, some insight into how and where I would have gone, what trades I would have taken. But just going back up here to the couple little trades, I mean, that's really all you need. Just take a couple of those a day, and that's all you need. You just keep doing it day after day. So Vince, Sniper Day Trading.